Aave, in particular, is a low-ranking digital currency that is currently valued at 55.98 and belongs to the category of mineable coins. It has a market capitalization of 812.783 to 204. In a very big way over the past few years, digital currencies like Aave have gained a lot of traction in the world's financial world, and they are now traded like traditional assets like stocks, commodities, and currencies. Forex in a kind of significant way. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto is a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which sort of is very huge. Retail financial backers and brokers sort of are in every practical sense keen on digital currencies, essentially, for example, since this fundamentally is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources really have the fundamental potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat genuinely brief time frame, which is genuinely huge. These profits sort of are especially out of reach and fundamentally different business sectors, which in a real sense is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money, like Aave, while the groundbreaking ones dedicate a huge piece of their sort of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which especially is genuinely critical at this in every way that really matters specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at 55.98 where it at present sits, or so they in every practical sense, but as currently referenced, Aave truly is a low position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 44th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the by and large metric that in a real not entirely settled by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking on account of the market capitalization really remains at 812.783 to 204 in spite of what most people think. Most of the meaning of this border will become clear later on. Our cost expectation calculation is set up so that it constantly checks the value, position, and market capitalization of the digital resource being referred to. This gives our supporters the most reliable information on the current state of the market and future possibilities. This lets the beneficiaries look at the state of their portfolio and decide if it needs to be changed. Amazingly, our calculation also focuses on real data, which is essential for a correct assessment of both the current and expected market structure and the assessment of its current and future course, or so they thought. Below, you'll find key pieces of this real data so you can understand where the off-market is going. Recently, on August 18, it was valued at 55.56 at the end of 2 trading meetings. Keep in mind that cryptographic forms of money are bought and sold every day, so each trading meeting usually ends at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious way. The price change rate over the given time period added up to 0.02 in an unpretentious way. 7 days ago, on August 12, it was traded at 65.92. Meeting, denoting the 0% price change from that for the most part close to its current situation and a very big way. The price of Aave and the readings of QFIX are not by any means the only measurements we use to predict prices, which is very big. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps traders figure out how popular the digital currency being traded is. It's not hard to figure out how to calculate market value. As of the time of compassing, the market capitalization of most certainly remains at 812.783 to 204, which makes it the 44th largest coin on the digital money market. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of most certainly stayed at 806,765 to 815, which made it the 42nd largest coin on the digital money market. 7 days prior, on August 12, the capitalization of most certainly was 956.683 440 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on July 19, how much most certainly capital streaming around this sort of specific market essentially added up to 1.039962 847. In a significant manner, most digital money financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which in every Practical cents are the genuinely normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. So 7 days prior on August 12 of was exchanged at 65.92 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its kind of present situation in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense greatest stockpile of off basically is 16,000. 000 of the especially all-out supply of right now certainly remains at 16,000. 0000 coins, which shows that underneath you will generally find exceptionally key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could basically have a comprehension of where the market truly is going. The coursing supply of the digital money under audit truly is 14,500–2,194 of kind of in spite of prevalent thinking this off-cost expectation Walden T. wouldn't be complete without a description of the trading volume available. This is because it's the metric that almost all digital money brokers use to confirm the strength of the pattern and the possibility of a really big market move. For example, if the breakout to a potential gain is happening on the back of very low trading volume, there usually isn't enough interest in the market to make a big move. So, it's important to look at both the past and the present trading amount of demand to figure out if this market has a hidden strength or if they just thought that it did. Bitcoin price prediction as $5 billion in trading volume puts BTC back in the green. Is it time to buy? In the complicated world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is at the forefront of strategic discussions. Its impressive $5 billion trade volume, which has put the asset back in the black, is a good example of this. Even with this momentum, the commodity is worth about $26,011 as of Monday, which is a slight drop of nearly 0.1%. This price isn't just based on how the market works, it's also heavily influenced by how people feel. The recent ideas President Biden made about how cryptocurrency tax reporting standards should work have gotten the global cryptocurrency group very busy with discussions. Also, the financial markets are acting more cautiously after Chairman Powell's pointed comments about the current U.S. inflation rates, which he says are too high. As people try to make sense of this complicated web, the most important question is whether Bitcoin is a good way to trade in the current financial system. Different people have different opinions about what Biden wants to do with crypto tax reporting standards. People with a lot of influence in the cryptocurrency world are worried about the new crypto tax reporting rules that U.S. Vice President Joe Biden is proposing. The Internal Revenue Services, IRS, plan to make brokers follow tax laws better by giving them tighter rules has been criticized. Crypto experts worry that these rules could make it hard for crypto companies to do business in the U.S. Some people think that the strict rules could slow down innovation and make the business leave the country. Some people, like CEO of Messari Ryan Selkes and president of CoinFund Chris Perkins, think that the rules could slow down growth and new ideas.